My name is David Key, and once again, I'm the Vice President of Saskatchewan Operations for West Teston. West Teston is a distribution of ours, so if anybody doesn't know about that, I want to make sure that's known. But what I'm here to do is I want to talk to you about doing something different in your organization. At West Teston PAMI, we're always talking to ourselves about doing different. How can we do different for our clients? How can we do different in our day-to-day work? And more importantly, how can we do different in how we're looking at problems? So mining is a tough business. The marketplace right now is asking for a lot of improvements. We're looking for improvements in productivity, lower expenses, all while ensuring a safe working environment. Pressures are mounting. Doing what you've done in the past may not always be the right thing for your future. So those who are willing to try something different, something new, are leaders of innovation. What we want to encourage you is to come to PAMI and discover a new world. Look outside of your norm, outside of your known universe. Through PAMI, you can explore and discover inspiration and solutions from other industries. It's time to ask yourself, how can I do different? We're going to take some time and take a look at a story that we have of a mine roller. And what was the requirements? The Department of National Defense came to us and they said, we need a device capable of clearing a large tract of land. We need to detonate mines at a certain depth. The device must be easily repaired in the field. So being from Saskatchewan, let's think about it. We want to clear a piece of land. So what PAMI did was we went into the vault and we dusted off our 42 years of experience and found old research on packer wheels. And we dug deeply into soil compaction, draft, mobility. And what did we end up with? This is a C&H quad track tractor that's designed to push a mine roller with independent displacing wheels. The engineers modified the hydraulics. We flipped the cab. We beefed up the electronics to be able to handle explosions. We designed a robust exterior for protection. With extensive FEA work, the mine roller is designed to be easily repaired in the field. Kind of sounds like farming a little bit. Our engineers have considerable experience in designing machinery that withstands the harshest conditions, and yet it's easy to repair in the field to mitigate costly downtime. This can change your mining operation. We know how to create machines that are robust, safe, and practical, with years of experience and cross-fertilization from multiple sectors. We do different. In the machine above, PAMI engineers worked on improving reliability, reduce, and cost through reducing the complexity of the controllers, redesigning the hydraulics, redesigning the electrical, all to improve performance. We supported this project with training and documentation at the end. PAMI never keeps intellectual property. PAMI never keeps intellectual property. Whether it's ongoing improvements, product mods, or even adaptations to new applications, you're never held hostage because you own the IP. The hardware, the software, the drawings, the code, it is yours. And the benefit to the bottom line is real. You can join other PAMI clients who realize savings by taking the IP they get from PAMI and freely working with any vendor you have in your supply chain at any time you choose to. This is doing different. In this next one, we want to introduce you to a story of an undercap protection kit for the Department of National Defense that we designed, built, and tested. Prior to any work beginning, our engineers brought the client's vision to reality using computer simulation. We were asked to be fast to prototype, quick to reality. There are pressures to deploy in ongoing theater of operations at the time, namely Afghanistan. So we simulated real life. We ran real tests. We realized real benefits for our clients. We tested this with actual ordnance. Two things makes this story very compelling. The first, if you take a look at it, and we're looking over at the blue picture, and then we look at the next one on the palette, the uncanny resemblance in the final geometry of the destroyed belly kit to the original simulation. We predicted what would happen in the blue. What's on the pallet came out in the ordnance. Second, although we can't share the actual photo of it, we actually have documentation of an actual military vehicle that came out of the shop in Humboldt, and it was hit with an IED. And thankfully enough, we can say the soldiers walked away unharmed. This is do different. PAMI is part of what we affectionately call the Team Queen. We're an interprovincial agency operating in Saskatchewan and Manitoba. We're governed by a legislative act. It's called the PAMI Act. It mandates us to improve machinery in order to improve productivity and safety. We offer fee-for-service research, engineering, design, and testing services. We have 42 years of experience in the sectors of agriculture, renewable energy, oil and gas, transportation, industrial facilities, and mining. We serve Saskatchewan and Manitoba citizens, from business owners to the producers. Make no bones about it. PAMI's heritage is machinery. Whether large or small, we work on a variety of machinery functions, including gathering, dispersing, processing, separating, milling, drying, diverting, locating, placement, atomization, simulation, power loss, engine efficiency, vehicle dynamics, fluid dynamics, airflow, emissions, either in lab conditions, fair weather conditions, or in extreme conditions. We focus on safety. How does PAMI understand how machines interact with humans and with product and with each other? We have this unique blended culture. PAMI leverages science-based solutions in applied and practical knowledge. You'll often hear a PhD engineering scientist say, our research is influenced by input from highly skilled journeypersons who fabricate stuff that works. It's not just about the science, but science that works every time, every day. Our knowledge moves freely up and down, from the office desks of high science to the tradesmen's workstations of our engineers and scientists. We work shoulder to shoulder with welders, electricians, and fabricators. With simulation software, a hands-on lab, a fabrication shop, and in-field testing capabilities, we are vertically integrated as a one-stop shop for practical solutions to your real-world problems. So if you are ready to do different, we are ready to serve you. We would love to tell you much more about our many Do Different projects and the opportunities we can explore with you. Please come and join us in booth 203 and 204. We're in the SIMSA Hall. You can't miss us because we're right beside the food and we're in a big white tent. So we'd like to thank the Mining Safety Association. I'd like to thank Eric and Carrie for the opportunity to be able to speak to you. Also to Al and I. We're honored to be presented alongside with these other organizations. Thank you very much.